Hi everyone, I'm Jin. This is the part 3 of space video. Here, the book, Today I'm talk last five last topic. Okay, last 5 topic. The first one, red planet. Red planet. The red planet, Mars, is a cold and rocky planet. Its surface is covered in red dust. Scientists have sent vehicles called rovers to Mars to take photos of the surface. A rover was packed inside a spacecraft and flown from Earth to Mars. Airbag protected the spacecraft as it landed on the planet's surface. This is a photo of Mars. Here, surface taken by a rover. Here you can see. And the fun fact is, dust storm on Mars can last for months. The spacecraft opened up and scientists sent signals to drive the rover out. The rover drove around sending information back to scientists on Earth. Here we go to the next one. Is gas giant. Is about Jupiter, and Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar systems. Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar systems. It is huge, a round mass made mostly from gases. The strip you can see here, the band of different gases. Jupiter has over 60 moons. 60 moons moving around it. All the moons are made of rock and ice. Rock and ice. Debbie is not round like most moon. Surface is covered in huge craters. The rocky surface of Europa is completely covered in the layer of ice. Ganymede is the biggest moon in the solar system. It is bigger than Mercury. The Jupiter's moon is bigger than Mercury. Oh my God. There's a huge storm Jupiter has been raging for thousands of years. This one you can see it is the storm. Ring planet is Saturn. Saturn is a huge planet made mostly of gases. It has millions of pieces of rock, ice, and moving around it. From far away, this looks like a solid ring. This photo was taken from a spacecraft that scientists sent to fly around Saturn. Here you can see. In 1997, a rocket took off from Earth. It was controlled by computer. When the rocket was far above the Earth, the probe flew away from it. The probe reached Saturn and started to fly around and around the planet. It sent close-up picture of Saturn and its ring back to Earth. We go to the next one. Distant planets. Uranus and Neptune are huge gas planets. This is Uranus here. This Uranus, it has faint rings around it made from millions of specks of dust. The ring of Uranus made of million specks of dust. Uranus spins differently from the other planets. It looks as if it has been knocked on its sides. And Neptune is a very cold and stormy planet. This dark blue sword is a storm raging on the planet. Beyond Neptune, there is a dwarf planet called Pluto. Pluto is the dwarf planet. Experts used to think it was a planet, but they have changed their minds. In the past, the scientists think that Pluto is the planet, but now they change their mind, and the Pluto is not a planet anymore. That is a dwarf planet. Explore the sky. Scientists find out about the solar systems by using huge telescopes that let them see things that are very far away. The telescope shown here in Hawaii, USA, they use big curved mirrors to make things that are far away look a lot bigger. There are some telescopes that travel around the Earth in spacecraft. You can see. One, scientists on Earth send signal to point the telescope at a planet. 2. The telescope takes picture of the planet and stores them in the computer. 3. The computer sends the pictures as signal to huge radio dish on Earth. The information is sent to computers that turn them into picture of the planet. Now, this is the end of my videos about the solar system. This book we read all. I have a lot of book, and I will make the videos about that book. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.